Hello guys, so we're still in the process of solving the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So in this video, I'm just going to go over how to do the last edge pairing, because up to this point we did the white center, the yellow center, the blue center, orange, green, and red centers, and we did all the edges. But whenever you come to your last two edges, there's a different edge pairing mechanism, and it only applies whenever you have your last two edge pairings. So whenever you have your edges like this, previously you were taught that you want them diagonally in the last video, but for these purposes we want them lined up like this. So if for whatever reason you have them like this, you have them diagonal from each other, it's actually not favorable for the last edge pairing algorithm. So when you have them like this, just execute the normal algorithm to get them lined up next to each other. So right side up, face counterclockwise, cube clockwise, right side up. So we want them like this. So, and we can go in either direction, and I would just say just practice out this algorithm a couple times. So we do, starting from the front face, you do the bottom two pieces to the right, right side up. Then we do the face counterclockwise. Then we do the top face clockwise, right side down, face clockwise, align the centers. And that's how we do the last edge pairing. And then you can do the exact same thing going the opposite direction. So for example, the left side up, the front face clockwise, top face counterclockwise, left side down, face counterclockwise, and align the centers. And it'll work too. All I did here was simply undo what I did, but I just want to show y'all that it's communicative, that if you do it twice, basically you undo what you did. So now I'm gonna do it again, going to the left side to show you all that it works. So they're already lined up favorably. So to the left, bottom two towards the left, left side up, face clockwise, top counterclockwise, left side down, face clockwise, and then aligning the centers. And that's how you solve the last edge pair. And now what you notice about this cube is that now it's no longer a 4x4, but if you look at it closely, we've reduced it to a 3x3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See if I can find a better example. All right, here's a perfect example. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So your edges are in pairs of 1x2s or 2x1s. Your center is a 2x2, and then your edges are just 1x1. But notice that it's 3x3 if you look at it this way. All right, guys, I really hope this video was helpful. Yeah, right here's a perfect example. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now you have a 3x3. So now solve it like a 3x3. All right, I hope this video was helpful, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll be posting more content. All right, thank you, guys.